Okay, so I just read about this new thing called memvid v2 and it blew my mind. It's like a living memory engine for AI.
Wait, seriously. A living memory engine. That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Right? It lets you keep adding new data and remembers it across sessions. Like, imagine if your brain could do that.
But doesn't that assume a perfect recall system? I mean, how do they manage to keep everything organized?
Good point, they use something called capsule context, which creates shareable memory capsules with their own rules.
That's interesting, but wouldn't sharing capsules complicate things? What if someone forgets the rules?
Exactly, there's a potential for chaos, but the tech behind it looks solid with features like time travel debugging.
Time travel debugging. I'm intrigued. So you can rewind or branch a conversation to review it.
Yes, it's like having an undo button for your chats. This could change how we think about memory.
Absolutely, but how does it handle all the data? I mean, do we need tons of storage?
Not at all, memvid compresses everything into MP4 files, making it 5,100 times smaller than traditional storage.
Wait, so they're using video compression to store text data. That's unexpected.
I know, right? They turn text chunks into QR codes packed into video frames. It's super efficient.
But does that mean the retrieval speed is affected? I mean, decoding QR codes must take time.
Actually, no, they achieve sub 100 ms retrieval speeds. It's all about direct frame seeks.
So basically, you can access your memories as fast as clicking a link. That's amazing.
Exactly, plus it requires zero infrastructure, just Python and MP4 files and you're good to go.
That's so convenient. But what about the whole offline first design? How does that work?
Once encoded, everything runs offline. It's perfect for times when you don't have internet.
That's really useful. But I wonder about the long-term implications of relying on video for memory.
Right, there's a risk of losing context if the video format changes, but they're future-proofing it.
How do they do that?
They leverage codecs that automatically improve like AV1 and H.266, so the memories stay optimized.
That's brilliant. But what if someone wants to customize the embeddings or processing?
Great question. You can actually plug in custom embedding models if you want to tailor the experience.
So it's flexible. But doesn't that just add complexity to the setup?
Maybe, but it also opens up many possibilities. There's a balance between flexibility and usability.
For sure. So what's the next big thing coming in V2?
They're introducing delta encoding so you can time travel through knowledge versions.
That sounds like a game changer. So you could literally go back to a previous version of your memory.
Exactly, it's like having your own personal knowledge archive, but what if you get lost in all those versions?
That's a valid concern. Managing versions could become a headache if not done carefully.
Totally, there's a risk of overcomplication, but it's fascinating to think about the potential.
Definitely. And have you seen the real-world applications they're proposing? Like a documentation assistant.
Yes, imagine indexing all your Markdown files and being able to search them in seconds.
So cool. But do you think it could ever replace traditional documentation systems?
Maybe not entirely, but it could significantly enhance how we interact with information.
I can see that. It's like upgrading from a paper library to a digital one that's always accessible.
Exactly, and think about the implications for education and research, so much more efficient.
It's exciting to think about, but it also raises questions about information overload, doesn't it?
For sure, with all this info at our fingertips, how do we filter out the noise?
That's going to be a key challenge for the future of AI memory systems, for sure.
So if we sum it all up, memvid v2 has the potential to change how we store, access, and interact with knowledge.
Absolutely. But it's worth considering how we manage all those changes and their impact on our memory.
Right? It's this fascinating blend of tech and human cognition. I wonder where it will lead us next.
Me too. The future is definitely exciting, but we must tread carefully, don't you think?